Got another remote start done here at Innovative Car Sound, 2014 Dodge Charger. Now this one here, we did it a little different. This is an add-on remote start to the factory remote. This is what the remote looks like. It's a push to start, which means you hold the brake down, hit a button, cranks the engine. The customer did not want an alarm. They wanted remote start add-on only. So this is not security. This is the same keyless entry with the add-on remote start. We hit the lock button 3 times. And a few seconds later, the engine will crank. The engine will stay turned on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the engine will shut down by itself if you do not manually shut it down. So just like we can crank it on, we can also manually shut it down by hitting the lock button 3 times again. And that turns it off. Add-on remote start, factory remote, no alarm. Got them in stock, ready to go. Come by the shop, check us out. Open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. And we'll see you guys on the next one.